Applicable for manufacturing 750 milliliters daily chemical and detergent bottles. Cycle 24 seconds. Output 1,200 PCs or H 28,800 PCs or day. Fitted with upgraded manipulators, stable performance, lower cost, compact layout, and sleek design. Electric swing arm, precise positioning, stable running. Upgraded die head, anti-leakage. Electric arm, smooth operation, stable tracking, and high precision. Uniform circumferential wall thickness of products. Precision linear electric pin inserter, reliable positioning, smooth bottle mouth. Secondary sizing device accelerates cooling speed. Built-in automatic flash removal program, one-step forming, no manual trimming, higher efficiency. Flash drops into chute, waste recycled efficiently by conveyor. The suction manipulator transfers products to the chain plate synchronously. Chain plate delivers products to leak tester. Process finished after qualified inspection. The machine operates fully automatically with stable performance and high efficiency.